Hey guys, and last year in 2018 we saw the first foldable smartphone, and that was the Flex Pi. After that, Samsung showcased their own version of foldable smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy F, which is planned for a full release in Q1 2019. And the concept of foldable smartphone was totally different in Samsung and Flex Pi. Now we have Xiaomi in the game with totally different design, and I think this is the best I've seen till now. So first off, it runs on MIUI 10 operating system, looks nice. Looks like a full screen tablet at the first glance, but things change when the video maker folds that device. So there are a total of 2 folds in the Xiaomi smartphone, basically 2 hinge used for a frame to bend from different locations. And one thing I noticed is that the software is not laggy at all. It's clean, not like FlexPy software, which was laggy during a conversion from tablet to a smartphone to a tablet. So that's something nice from Xiaomi. And this is how it is going to look like when in a single screen mode. It's going to look more like a square smartphone, that's fine. And the back of the device will be having the folded screen. And most of you guys were asking about the durability of the devices, like if it gets shattered easily or with a drop it will turn into pieces or not. Well, yeah, that's not the case. These brands are using the thin flexible display which you can bend easily without a shatter. So it's going to be more durable than any smartphone out there right now, and these will be using a different type of layer for protection. So that's nice. So this is all guys. In CES 2019 we may see a launch of Xiaomi foldable smartphone. Definitely I will be covering that event. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.